Okay, so just a short update here. Um, Now these LEDs are not lit right now. It's because I don't have this connected over to our active spot over there. But I just happened to look. Now off the end of these LEDs, that's where I connect. Yeah, I know it's not easy here. This is the one that I connect all these with. Here's the one off the end going to another couple diodes. And those wires go to the little capacitor here. Okay, and down to this light. And I'm trying to figure out why it's lit. This is a 12 volt lamp. But I'm like, I don't... I got my voltmeter on there. 7.25 volts. And it's staying there. I'm like, the capacitor isn't draining. Okay, I do have this plate here. Just giving it like a ground. Now let's see if I disconnected the ground. It does get dimmer. It's still lit. Now it'll stay there. So that's another mystery now. It's like no matter where I put this, and this is not, nothing's connected to anything. And I've also disconnected my voltmeter, saying, alright, we're sucking some energy from the voltmeter. Now, this Afromeco plug, and even the capacitors that I have all the way down there, are still, everything's like 2 feet away from my system. Now there, it's still lit, even though I disconnected the voltmeter. Where's my other one? There it is. Hold on. Let's connect that back up there. Alright. Hold on. 6.23 now. If we take our diodes here and stick them in our active area over here. Okay, now these will all be lit up. And that will be much brighter. As you can see, just one big glowy dot now. But now we have 7.55. Huh. So that's interesting. Hey guys, alright, after another long day here, these 240 are out right now. These are all lit though down here. There's 470 plus these other 50 that I have up here. Yeah, we're still haven't changed anything. But now there you go, the 240 are out because of that. There's two 10-watt bulbs lit up right now at 113.5 volts across them. Now those bulbs are in parallel with each other, but that's not bad for just now. Right, I can't have all this other group that I've added on through the Afromenko plug. Oh yeah, look at this sucker. A big panel there. I'll show you that in a second. Here's just one bulb, and I get 115 volts. Why is it not shorting out? Oh, why is it not shorting out? Oh, that's strange. What the heck? Why would you not short out? Oh! Whoa, doggy! Going back up there. Woo! Holds quite a bit of energy. Now think, I could have like, I don't know, unlimited amounts of those capacitors being charged all the time. There we go. Alright. Now here is a 9.82 volts. There's that panel I showed you. 336 LEDs. It's a 12 volt, 70 watt. Oh, let's see, I might have to. Oh, there we go. That's better. I had to retune a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then I got a few other. That one works pretty good. Those work pretty good. That one works pretty good. So, I'm still doing lots of experiments, guys. Now see, notice, that's 12 volts. It gives up 9.88 volts. If I put the bulbs on there, it gives up 115 volts. Anyhow, it's interesting. Makes you wonder. $115.8 volts now. 8, 9. Across that bulb. It's getting pretty bright. Starting to hurt my eyes to look at it. Just at that edge there, starting to hurt my eyes.